This is how you master daily watering for pots using the 2-knuckle depth test. And the number one mistake that tricks beginners into overwatering is at the end. Now, I know watering your potted plants sounds like the simplest thing in the world. You just pour some water in and walk away, right? Well, that is exactly where most people go wrong, and I have seen it happen more times than I can count. The good news is there is a reliable, straightforward method that takes no special tools and no guesswork. Once you learn it, you will wonder how you ever watered without it. The whole approach comes down to reading what the soil is actually telling you, not what the calendar says. Here's how you do it in 3 steps. Step 1 is the 2-knuckle test. Push your index finger straight down into the soil until your second knuckle is fully buried. That puts you right around 2 inches below the surface, which is where it really counts. Now hold still for a moment and pay attention to what you feel. If the soil at your fingertip feels dry or only barely cool, your plant is ready for a drink. If it still feels damp or muddy down there, leave it alone. That simple finger check tells you more than any moisture meter you could buy, and it costs you nothing. Step 2 is checking your drainage. Before you water at all, take a look at the bottom of your pot. A healthy container pot should have at least 4 drainage holes, and they should be clear and open. If water cannot escape freely after you water, it pools at the roots and causes all kinds of trouble. Roots sitting in standing water will rot, and once that starts, it is very hard to turn around. So if your pot is not draining well, address that first before anything else. Step 3 is how you apply the water itself. Always water at the base of the plant, right at the soil level, and pour slowly and steadily. Avoid splashing water up onto the leaves and stems. When foliage stays wet, especially during warm growing months, it creates the perfect conditions for fungal problems to take hold. Keep the water where it belongs, down at the roots, and your plant will be much happier for it. For a standard pot around 12 inches across, roughly 1 good cup of water is usually the right amount once the soil passes the knuckle test. Now, here is the number one mistake I see beginners make, and it is the very thing the hook promised to tell you about. The mistake is watering on a fixed schedule instead of checking the soil first. So many people decide their plants need water every single morning, like it is a rule carved in stone. They water at the same time every day regardless of what the soil actually feels like. And what happens? The roots stay too wet. The soil never gets a chance to breathe. Root rot sets in quietly below the surface while the plant looks fine from the top, until one day it just collapses. Potted soil holds moisture in ways that are easy to misjudge. The surface might look and feel dry, while 2 inches down the soil is still quite damp. That is exactly why the 2-knuckle test matters so much. It gets past the surface and tells you the truth. If your finger comes out and the soil at the tip still feels moist, wait. Give it another full day and check again. There is no shame in waiting. Waiting is often the kindest thing you can do for a container plant. When you follow this method consistently, something wonderful starts to happen. Your plant stops struggling between too much and too little. The roots grow deeper and stronger because they are getting moisture at the right times. You will notice less wilting, better color in the leaves, and stronger new growth. Most gardeners who switch to this approach see a real difference within about a week, sometimes sooner. It is not magic. It is just paying attention to what the plant needs rather than what the routine demands. If keeping your container plants properly watered and genuinely thriving is something you care about, this channel covers practical container gardening guidance every single week.